Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can change your password on the Bigo Live app. So first of all, open the Bigo app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now once you are on the home screen, on the bottom of the screen you will see several options. Tap on the profile like option and then scroll down and you will find the option with settings. So that's the settings option. Tap on it. Now tap on the account management option and here select your phone number because I have used my phone number to create my Bigo account in the first place. So therefore tap on the option and here you will see two options. You can change your phone number or you can change your password. So this video is all about changing the password, therefore tap on the change password option. Now here enter your old password in the first box and your new password in the second box, and afterwards tap on the done option. So if you want your web browser to save the password for you, tap on the save password option, or you can also skip the part and tap on not now. So that's how you can change your password on the Bigo Live app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.